Hi, this is Sridhar. Today we are going to discuss about the grep command. It is one of the filter available in Unix. Though it is not that much powerful like awk or sed, it is more frequently used by all Unix users. It is a simple filter, and the grep stands for the global search for the regular expression. We can also search for the regular expression and we can print the result. The basic syntax of the grep is grep followed by the options, the list of options, and the pattern you want to search, and the list of files. Either you may be giving a single file, or you can give multiple files, or you can give meta characters like star.java, star.text, like that. You can give meta characters also, so that all the files will be combined. This is the basic syntax. We will be discussing about the various options that we can use in the grep command in this session. Next, the basic grep command is to search for a pattern in the given file. Now we are checking whether this pattern Unix is present in this file1.txt or not. Let me list the content present in file1.txt. Yes, Unix word is present in this file1.txt. I am grepping for this pattern Unix, whether word is present in this file1.txt. So it will list the line which contains the word Unix. It is displaying the first line. Here Unix word is present. The second line also, third line also, and in the fourth line, yes, here the Unix word is present. Though it is combined with the Linux, Unix word is present. So it will search for the word Unix whether it is present in the file1.txt or not. If it presents, then it will list the file. It will display the line that contains the pattern. The next command is exclamatory mark followed by the grep. It means if you want to run the recent grep command, the exclamatory mark represents the event number. So you can run the recent grep command which you executed. So the recent grep command is the previous one, grep unix file1.txt. So it will execute the same unix command, same grep command once again. So it will display which command you executed recently, and it will execute that command and displays the result. We will be discussing much more about this exclamatory mark, that is the event number, in the next session. Now just know that the exclamatory mark followed by the grep means it will execute the recent grep command. If you put awk instead of grep, then it will execute the recent awk command. Even you can put exclamatory mark cat also. It will execute the recent cat command. I used this one for the recently, the first one, cat file1.txt. So it will execute the recent cat command. Likewise, you can give exclamatory mark followed by the any command which you used recently. Next one, searching for the string in multiple files. Still now we are searching only for a single file, that is file1.txt, or searching for the single file. You can search for multiple files also. I want to search for this line in these two files, file1.txt and file2.txt. You can give it like this, file1.txt space file2.txt. So the list of files, you can mention it after the pattern line. Yes, you got it. File1.txt, it contains the word line is present in file1.txt, and the line which contains the pattern will be displayed as well. And again in file1.txt we have the same pattern, so again it's displaying the line that contains the pattern. And in file2.txt, yes, you have the word line in dbms_output.putLine. So it will display the line which contains that pattern. So by default it will display the file name also. It will display the file name by default. In the upcoming session we can suppress the behavior of this default printing the file name. If you want, you can print it, otherwise you don't want to print it, you can remove by removing the file name. The next one is a case insensitive search. Case insensitive means you know that Unix word is present in your file, but you don't know in which case it was. So in that case you can give -i. -i means it will search for the pattern irrespective of any cases it was present. If it is present in lowercase or uppercase or lower and upper combined, it will ignore all this and it will search for the pattern and it will display the result. Here I am giving the pattern as U and N as caps and I and X are small letters. Even in that case it's displaying the result. So -i means it will ignore the case of the pattern. Next one, you are searching for the pattern. For that pattern it starts with numbers. The caret symbol or the power symbol represents the starting position of any line. In the given input file file2.txt. So the starting line, what it should be, within square brackets I am giving 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means any number which starts from 0 to 9, any number between 0 to 9. So the starting character, the starting one should be any number between 0 to 9. So if it contains any number between 0 to 9 in the starting position, then it will display the line. In file2.txt we have the starting line 1 and 2. So for these two lines the starting position is a digit, not a character. So it will display the result. The power symbol is for the starting position and the dollar symbol is for the ending position. Next one is, if you want to check for the word, the pattern should be the entire word. Entire word means if you are searching for the word Unix, before U also you should have some space and after X also you should be having some space. It means you are searching for the entire word. If you are searching for the entire word, then you have to give grep-w. You can see the difference if you didn't give -w, what the result will be. Let us see. grep-w, searching for the word Unix in file1.txt. Let me view the content of file1.txt and then executing grep-w Unix file1.txt. So here it's checking for this word, entire word Unix in the given file1.txt. So the entire word is present here. See, before U we have some space, so it's assuming that the Unix is the entire word, and here also Unix has the entire word. After X there is some space, and here also Unix has the entire word. This one also Unix has the entire word. And here it won't check if it is, it won't check for this one. Let me change the content of file1.txt for better understanding, because I am searching for Unix. Okay, let it be. If I am searching for Linux, what the content should come, grep. I am searching for Linux in file1.txt. So it's displaying this one also, this line also, because Linux word is present here. In this line Linux is present. So if I am putting grep-w, because Linux is not the complete word here. Here the word is Unix Linux. Unix without space Linux. So Linux is not the complete word here. So in that case it won't display. See, Unix Linux line didn't display it here, because we are searching for the entire word as Linux. But here the Linux is not the entire word. Here the entire word is Unix Linux. So in this case it won't display. So that is a specialty of putting -w and without putting -w. And if you want to display 2 lines before and after, in that case you can do it easily in the grep statement. You are finding for the pattern, you are searching for the pattern error. If you simply give it as grep error file2.txt, it will display the line which contains the pattern error. Yes, it was displayed, but I want to display 2 more lines before to that line contains the pattern error. I want to display 2 more lines before to the line that contains the pattern error. So in that case, what you have to do, simply you have to put -b, capital B, the number. If you want to display 2 lines before this line contains pattern, before the line that contains the pattern error, then you have to give -b2. So 2 lines are added before the line which contains the pattern error. Similarly, you can put -a also. A means after. After the line that contains the pattern error, you want to display 2 lines, then you can give a. A means after, -a. If you see here, error, here you are displaying this line because the pattern error, because this line contains the pattern error, and I want to display 2 lines after this line that contains the pattern error. So I am displaying 2 more lines. In this line also you have the error. So after this line I am printing 2 more lines. So -b means before the line that contains the pattern, -a means after the line that contains the pattern, and you can give the desired number, so those number of lines will be printed. And if you want to print before and after, that is combining -b and -a, both combining -a and -b, I want to print 2 lines before the line that contains the pattern and also after the line that contains the pattern. In that case, simply you can give -c. See, if you put grep -c 2 means 2 lines, I want to print it after the line that contains the pattern file in file2.txt. In file2.txt, file is here. So before this line 2 lines are displayed and after this line 2 lines are displayed. So that is a option of -c. -a means after, -b means before, and -c means before and after, combining both -a and -b. The next one, you can also search for a pattern recursively. Recursively means you can search for the pattern present in the current directory and also subdirectory and subdirectory. Like that, you can recursively search for the given pattern for all the files. In that case, simply you have to put -r. grep -r line star. It means you are searching for the pattern line recursively. -r means recursively. What is star? Star means in the current directory for all the files. Star means for all the files in the current directory and also in subdirectory and subdirectory as well. If you see here, I have only one file in the PLSQL directory, Oracle PLSQL.txt. There also I am having the line. I have the pattern line, and it will print the file name as well. In which file you are having the pattern line. -r means it will search recursively for the pattern in all the files, in all the files in the current directory and also in subdirectory and subdirectory. So here we will stop and we will continue again in the next session. Thanks.